This is our home. To be exact, a city called Linz, right in the heart of Austria. For almost 40 years now, this is the place where the people of WFL Millturn Technologies have been working towards one common goal: designing and building the world's best complete machining centers. Clamp once, machine complete. We are constantly perfecting our Millturns to provide our customers with the best solution for their machining jobs. Precision, quality, and reliability are the cornerstones of our modular machines, saving time and costs for our customers' daily business. Our tailored technology solutions ensure the economic production of difficult-to-manufacture key components, especially where complex geometries are amongst the technical manufacturing requirements. A Millturn can showcase the very best in your company, especially in the face of high demands upon the machining process. This is because the lead time of complex work pieces is substantially reduced by our machining solutions. Software is the brain of every Millturn, and our software solutions are second to none. Our tools make it easy, fast, and efficient to operate and program directly at the machine. We are proud of our home base in Austria, but our customers are spread around the globe, and so is our service. Wherever you are, we are close to you, providing parts, assistance, and repairs to help keep your business up and running. We do not just sell machines, we provide complete machining solutions.